So we're taking this woman to, she's hiding her face. She's not very proud of her hair right now. It's nappy. But we're gonna look for a local salon to have it washed and blow dried. Because we brought her a blow dryer, but the connection doesn't go into the wall. The wall has different patterns than what we have. So what the blow dryer has. The blow dryer only has it has the two area, right? Or the three? Oh, one side is bigger and one side is smaller. So it doesn't go into the wall socket here. And we didn't bring shampoo. I went to ask for shampoo I went to look for shampoo in the supermarket. Is about $8. And I've gotten used to the Liberian system too much to spend $8 on a bottle of shampoo. Not happening. So we're going to the local place. We'll pay Liberian dollar. They wash it and blow dry it. They will probably not be using shampoo from the US, but we'll see. She just needs to wash it and detangle it for them to braid it. They're coming to braid it. So we're about to walk because the car isn't here. So I told her let's walk, and she's not having that. She is not having it. Yep. But we're gonna do our first walking. It shouldn't be so bad. The place is right down the street from us. The only thing that will bother us is the sun. It's a little hot. We have to cross? No, we don't have to cross. So we're walking. We're strolling down to the local salon down the street because the car isn't here. We can't wait. Kiki does not trust that we can do it. She says it's not safe, but we are in Cinco and it's not very far. The place is not crowded. So we're going to do it. I'm not going to be holding my phone like this on the streets, but we're walking from the yard to the main road, to the main street. Yep. That's our journey. The sun is hot. We should have sprayed some sunscreen on. Put some sunscreen. I should not have worn black. My shoulder, I can feel the sun beating my shoulder. We're going left. So you see, the place is not really crowded with a lot of people on the street, so I think we'll be safe. I just cannot be holding my phone out. The only thing that I'm sure they're gonna charge us more money than we're supposed to pay. Oh, but we need to. Oh, the exchange bureau is right across the street, so we gotta cross. Damn it, we gotta cross. We gotta change money. I'm not taking US, so that shop. Only me should go and come out. I don't even think I trust crossing that road. I think my crossing skills. I'm used to a crosswalk. I don't think I can cross this street. My people, it's like crossing the highway, seriously. And it's not like in the US where they really care about humans. They're not gonna slow down for you. So they changed the money right across the street. I don't know if there's some along this way. Let's go to the gas station. He is afraid of everything. The gas station is right here. You can go inside? I don't know what we are here for. What do we come for? My grandpa. Okay, let's go to the next place. Maybe they have. No, but we're trying to look for a place to change the money. Yeah, go put a can on what? Yeah, that's why I didn't eat that candy. It's very hot for it. But we're trying to go somewhere to change the money where we don't have to cross the street. So we're just walking along the right side of the street.
People can turn in here at any moment, so we need to be walking like.
I don't think they changed money here. Eh? Guy, the low boy that stay with my mom is about to rescue us. Maybe we need your muscles. Kiki is so scared to walk. She's like, somebody is gonna. So we tried changing the money. The guy had the money changing place over there, but we able to cross the street. The place too busy to cross. So we're walking down to see if the guy one more on this side that we ain't gotta cross. Well, I don't see nothing. So we'll stay on this side and he go across, then he change it, he come. I think the salon is before you get to that big building. The salon not far. Kiki's like, mommy, I don't like this. I don't like this.
We look lost.
No, we did not look lost. I knew where I was going. This guy is not even paying attention to us. So, this is Savvy Lounge. It's one of the nicest cigar lounges in town.
Smaller up close.
Yep. Oh, that Arabi Reyes, Etta. It's done. He's coming back to us now. See, I can't do that. I can't do that. Sure. My daughter think I'm lost. We'll see. We'll get our savior here. Bella Casa Hotel. I've heard about this place. So I think we are finally here in this other building. So I'm sending Victor inside to go ask how much to wash hair, so we can compare. It's called Chick Gallery Beauty Spa over here. So Victor go inside, go ask and say my sister won't wash her hair. How much to do it? Yeah.
It's easier when you open the door.
It's really nice. It's decent.
We shampoo hair and blow dry hair.
Okay.
And we do the pedicure.
Oh, I didn't ask for the pedicure. How much is?
It's 50, but with pedicure with gel polish it's 25.
Okay.
That's where we fix our nails.
Okay, the nails area. It's really nice. Pedicure area.
Products.
Yeah. The braiding studio. So the braiding is in the back. Okay.
This way you relax and maybe you wait.
And drink wine too.
Yes, please wait. Everything. Coffee, no soft drinks.
This is the wash station for the kids and
Yeah,
the.
the kids is there.
Yeah.
It's the braid studio.
Oh.
Our washroom for.
Oh, you get to look at yourself while they braid your hair.
Please.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow. How long you guys been here?
For a month now.
Really? So you're brand new to this area? Is it brand new business or you came from different location?
It's a brand new business.
Wow.
This way we got hair for adults.
Okay.
We braid kids' hair here.
Okay. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at there. Edwin would love to sit in these and get his hair cut.
And this way for children.
So you can cut the boys' hair too, not just girls. Okay. I love the mirrors and it's like everywhere you turn is mirror.
Yes.
And then for the older guys.
Yes, for all that.
And it's so kid friendly. It makes them feel welcome and like something to do. That's nice. And they haven't been here long. Wow. Okay, I can say it smells really good. I almost want to sleep already. It has a really good scent.
And then with the
Wow.
here.
And you guys have the different oil you can use. People can. And they have a jacuzzi massage. Wow. So you sit in the tub and you just must. I was sleeping in that tub. Look at that. Look at that. That is so beautiful.
Thank
Wow. This is how you do things. It has to be above average. Yeah.
you. Okay, so you are welcome anytime.
Yes. Thank you so much for showing me. The place is called Chick Gallery and Beauty and Spa. Right across the street from the City Hall. So you can see the City Hall over there. It's really nice. Thank you. You sell fabrics. So they own the next area here too. They sell fabrics. And can I go in? Ooh, it feels like the US right now in here. It's so cold, but it feels good. So they sell fabrics here and really beautiful ones too. Thank you. And what are the different prices you have?
That is for 185.
For how much? 3 for how much?
185.
Oh, 185 US?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this for 70.
Okay.
You will get this for 35.
Oh. Where are they from?
Some
Wow.
from Ivory Coast, some from Ghana.
I was gonna say Ghana. I was definitely. See these? Are these Kinte or the Country Club?
Yeah,
The Country Club. Oh my gosh.
that pair for 65.
Wow.
65 for the pair.
That is 65 for the pair.
Yeah.
And then that one, the same thing.
Yeah.
Can somebody do mix and match?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. $65. So how many lapas in there? How many? Is it 3 like the lapas or?
The one is just long.
Oh, it's just long.
Together.
Okay. So how many can sew an outfit? This 2 is enough, or you have to get a couple of
No,
them?
the 2 is enough.
Okay.
Except you want another design attached to it, then it did.
Then they will have to add pieces. Okay. And this place open the same way as that, the same time?
Yeah.
So it's new?
Yeah.
Oh. And I heard they're opening the other side. Do you know what they're putting there? Wow.
Okay, just that physical first.
Okay. Is it a Liberian owned business or Ghanaian? Okay. Wow. That's nice. And you started working here right when they opened?
Yeah.
Okay. You like it here? You in your leg?
Oh, yeah.
You're not in the sun?
Yeah.
It's nice. Wow, they have some really nice fabrics though. Quality lapa, you can see it from far. Thank you. Car rental place. Travel service and tours. I would need to check this out. Our fire truck, our fire truck. The Mercedes Benz. It doesn't look like anything is in it. Vicky Hair and Spa, that's where we're going. Right here. Vicky Hair and Spa. And our junction is right over there. Or see you. Yep, Vicky Hair and Spa. We're coming to wash Kiki hair. And they sell different kind of hair here. But then they also have a salon. Some bags and stuff. No, I think it's just the toilet. The Sony one. Hmm? Yeah, they have a lot of. And as smart as it is, it's the only place I can't afford moose. All the places I've been going. She'll wash her hair. Yeah. It's a nice place. Let's see. I like it.
What's this? Yeah.
Oh, the heat. And then I will buy the mousse too. I'll get it. Did my nails, and it looks like when a little child do your nails. See how bumpy, knotted up this nail is. I can see. See how curved in it is. This looks so bad. You see all my cuticles out. That small script they script me today. So sore.
Me, I would put it in the
I got the thing spill over, and then they dry it, and
we can go there tomorrow.
okay. It's so tacky. So tacky.
We can go there tomorrow if they can fix it better.
$25 for this nail.
They can just take it out. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And then I was just trying to be nice, but
Yeah, take it out. I think that'll be better.
it's too knotted up. Look at, you can see the polish dripped, and I kept telling her it's too much. It's too much. Can you? But then the girl doesn't speak English.
We haven't even know customers.